Hello everybody, my name is Adam and welcome back to Street Brawlers Muscle. Today it's going to be a bit of a vlog day, just day in the life, working on the cars. We're going to go check on the Mustang in a bit, but first we're here at Marcus's house and big things are going down. So this baby right here is Marcus's 1989 Camaro. It's a 3rd gen. It's got T-tops, nice little 5-speed in there. Came stock with a 305 TBI, but that thing is sitting on the lawn right now because something bigger is going in. About time. We're ripping the Mustang and Camaro all high school, and that's kind of what got us really into this kind of stuff. Very excited to see progress on this thing. Can't wait till I get to race him on the drag strip. Good. Here's your 3/4.
Look at this pretty thing, boys. You getting in there, John?
It's in there. Just lashing some valves over here.
So after the valve,
You know how it is.
after the, that's not gonna do anything then. Yeah, hit it. There. Hit this with a hammer. No, with a hammer, with a hammer. Hit the valve if you think they're stuck.
A little bit of blood, sweat, and tears, baby.
We got blood, we got sweat. Come on, give us a little tear. Give us a tear. Come on. Okay. Alright. That's too much for today. Don't want to see that again. They heard that we're going to start the Camaro today, so they brought in preemptive measures. So while the boys are working on this, I am waiting patiently because we're going to go pick up a bunch of potential parts for the Mustang in like 15 seconds for you guys anyways. Mustang still getting work done, so we got the Asuna out. If you guys are into tuners, go check out the tuner channel. Link is in the description. Street Brawlers tuner. All around this rare, 1 year only, Canada T93 Asuna Sunfire. We're in the truck now. Marcus driving. Mike on the back. We are on the way to grab some parts to the Mustang. Super excited. I'll show you guys in a second. Got some crazy stuff coming, hopefully.
Yo, get the bin.
Wow, these things are cool. Big bunny. We made it to the place and it's pretty cool.
It's a Chevy.
We didn't get to film a whole lot of picking up the stuff because we didn't want to invade on the shop's privacy, but we'll show you everything we grabbed once we're home.
Oh, it has good reviews. No way. Let's go.
Okay guys, we are out here. We need some food and we passed this place. Schnitzels, baby. And they got like a little door with like 10 schnitzels advertised on the side. Must be good, bro. Look at that display. This place looks bunk as hell, but we're gonna send it.
They don't like tell us if parking is allowed or not, so.
This is the place. The be-all, end-all food destination in Canada.
The peppercorn looks good. Feeling it.
Looks good.
Oh, barbecue. Barbecue.
Bro, let's go. Oh, I'm hearing this one, dude. Schnitzelicious. What are you reading?
Guinness Book World Records from 2000. 19 years old.
Buddy, we're vintage out here.
Here, I'll show you some cool facts that you want to know. Most Mr. Olympia titles. Lee Haney of South Carolina. 8 times. Boom. Look at the guy.
Bro, that guy kind of looks like you.
Man is oiled up.
We're on the way back home and we decided to pick up some more horsepower. You're gonna add some horsepower? Instant quarter-mile machine. Makes more horsepower than this Camaro.
Right now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, move the right like that. Yeah. Perfect.
Let's go, John. Come on. Oh.
Go, and push your right leg on her. Just your right side.
No way, that's like the throttle.
And keep pushing it.
You're going.
We're going this way.
This horse does not look happy with you. She's like, somebody get this idiot off my back. Hang around, you. Oh, hit it, hit the throttle. You did it.
He went faster though.
Yeehaw!
Oh, back it up there. Oh.
Get off.
So we made it back to my house. The haul that we got today is a C4 Ford transmission. Apparently it's rebuilt with the shift kit. But we're gonna have to look because they're not sure. Got a torque converter there. We got an 8-inch diff. Apparently it's 373 posi. I kind of want a 9-inch for my car though, so not sure what we're gonna do with that yet. And then we also got an electric fan in rad. So that electric fan will be going in the Mustang soon to get rid of that mechanical that's robbing horsepower. But for now, we're just gonna grab her out of the car, throw her in the backyard, and maybe one day you'll see this soon. So I know this video has been all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed the variety. We are back at Marcus's right now. As you can see, him and Michael are under the Camaro trying to get the 350 going. In the next video, we'll be back working on the Mustang, trying to get that on the road. If you guys want to see this thing finally start in the whole build process, go check out Marcus's channel. Link will be in the description. For now, if you liked what you saw, please leave a like on the video, subscribe for more muscle car content. We're going to be doing tons more stuff like this. Comment horses in the back if you made it this far. And for now, I'll leave you off with a sick exhaust note.